Listen up. If you are still doing this YouTube thing on your own, without feedback, without input, without correction, you dey slow yourself down. Yes now, even Dangote get advisors. You wey read 10,000 subs, you dey form I've got it all figured out. Come on now, stop that acting. The sooner you learn to ask for feedback, the faster you grow. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, how I test thumbnails and titles before I post, why it works, and how you can do the same even if you're just starting. Omo, to be honest, YouTube no easy. Between thinking of video ideas, filming, editing, scripting, uploading, and promoting, if you just dey run mad silently. And the worst part is that sometimes you post a video that you swore will blow only for it to collect 37 views and 1 like, and that one is from your cousin wey dey abroad. Meanwhile, thumbnail no dey catchy, maybe the title dey dull, but you no notice because you were working inside your own echo chamber. That's why I say don't be an island, be a community. YouTube is hard enough, no go add extra suffering now. Me personally, I know they play with this thing. I'm in over 7 YouTube video groups on Facebook and about 5 WhatsApp groups, and anytime I'm ready to drop a video, at least 1 thumbnail and title must go for community judgment. Let me break it down. First, I design 3 different thumbnails for the same video. Then I post them in the group and ask, which one go grab attention the most? Sometimes, nobody go talk. Other times, 1 or 2 people go reply. But those 2 comments, they are priceless. One person might say, bro, your text too small. Another person might be like, this one makes me curious, I go click this one. And just like that, I know the direction to go. Then I tweak the design, make it sharper, cleaner, and more clickable. After that, I'll drop 3 more possible titles for the same video. For instance, how I grew from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 3 months. The exact strategy I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers. Nobody thought about this 0 to 1,000 growth trick, but it works. Then I asked the group, which title go make you click sharp sharp? Sometimes the group will argue. One person will say title A is boring. Another person will say title C sounds like clickbait. Na then sabi, me I dey take notes now, abi? And when they roast the thumbnail, I no go vex. Because to me, criticism is not insult, it's free upgrade. After I started doing this thumbnail and title test consistently, my click-through rate started rising from 3% to 4.5%. Now some of my videos they hit 7% to 10%. And you know what happens when your click-through rate increases? YouTube algorithm go just dey smile. It start recommending your video to more people because more people are actually clicking. It's like telling YouTube, hey, this thumbnail dey work oh, so push out well. But if you are guessing your way through thumbnails and title, you are just leaving money and views on the table. Some people will be like, but I'm shy. What if they laugh at me? I know sabi design well now. See nobody get time to laugh at you. We are all struggling one way or the other. And honestly, most of these groups are full of people like you. They are hungry creators just trying to grow, improve, and even figure things out. So instead of saying, what if they roast me? You should think about, what if someone give me that one idea that changes my whole video? And if you not sabi where to go, let me help you. Just go to Facebook, search for YouTube creators groups. They're boku. What happened? Plenty growth focused creators run community. In fact, I have one. The link is in the description. What about Twitter? Post your thumbnails and ask for feedback. People they drop correct suggestions. No more excuses. Let your community help you grow. The moral of the story is simple. Don't do this YouTube journey alone. Let people help you sharpen your ideas. Let your thumbnails go through village elders. Yes, I call them village elders. Let your titles survive a few online slaps before you post them, because sometimes you're just one small tweak away from viral video. Me, I know the fun boss, so I post my designs like student wey wan collect correction because I know say na result I want, no be pride. So if you be hiding your thumbnails like exam answers, it's time to stop. Share your work, get feedback, improve, grow faster, not harder. If this video gingered you, do just 2 things for me. Go back to your next thumbnail or title, post them in the group, or share with 3 trusted creators. Join my free WhatsApp group where I give only 0 sugarcoating feedback to help you grow faster. The link is below. Remember, YouTube is a long game, but you don't have to play it alone. Let your people sharpen you. Iron sharpens iron, and thumbnail sharpens view count. I will see you in the next video. Keep building, keep growing, and I beg, share your work. Peace out.